Hello, my dear students. So, in the last session, we started with chapter number 1 of literature. It was Attila. So, in this chapter, I explained to you that there was a dog named as Attila by his owners, but he was not showing any significance according to his name. He was given the name Attila on the name of a very rude and cruel king that he will grown up in the future and will save the home and his members. But he did not do anything like that, and this attitude of Attila was not liked by the family members, especially the mother of the house. Then what happened one day, we are starting with page number 4 and paragraph number 3. One day, what happened? A thief, a burglar means thief, a burglar named as Ranga came to the house at in the night at 1 o'clock, and he just searched out all the trunks and suitcases of the in the house, and he made a fine pickup of all the jewelry and the expensives in the from the house. After that, what happened? As he was just about to leave the house, he was caught by Attila. He was caught by Attila. Then after, what the burglar Ranga was expecting, that my game is finished, my game has been finished now, and Attila is going to bark over me. The dog is going to bark over me, but as per his nature, the Attila, did not bark over the burglar. He just stood like that only, and he was having the expressions that I am not that kind of dog who will bark over you. Actually, Attila was considering the burglar as his friend. He was liking the man. After that, after waiting for a moment, when the burglar Ranga realized that the Attila is not going to bark over him, this dog is not going to bark over him, he just gave him a greet that, look dog, there was a cat over there. Then he just looked over there. Actually, it was not like that Attila was going to going to hunt that cat, but actually he was liking the company of a cat. But as soon as Ranga dashed from the gate, he was just about to rush from the gate. He was about to leave the house. Attila followed him with his swinging tail. Now the burglar was not liking this thing that the dog of the house is following him, but then also he was not having any option, because he was afraid that if I will say something to the dog, he will start barking. Then he let the dog follow him. After that, what happened? As and when Attila moved further following the burglar, there was the accomplishment of his greatest ambition. अटला का सबसे बड़ा सपना पूरा हो रहा था. एंड व्हाट वाज हिज ग्रेटेस्ट एम्बिशन इन द लाइफ वाज टू वैंडर इन द स्ट्रीट्स फ्रीली, कि वो गलियों में फ्रीली घूम सके. एंड दैट वाज जस्ट गेटिंग पॉसिबल बीइंग विद रंगा ओनली. एंड सो he started shaping his ambitions, and here we have finished page number 4 of the book. Coming over page number 5, there is a picture given to you. In the same way, Attila is really liking his new friend Ranga, and he kept on following him with his swinging tail all the time. And when Ranga used to implode, used to go somewhere for burgling and for getting the things done, for thieving the things, then he used to wait for Ranga outside the house. वो रंगा का वेट करता रहता था बाहर बैठकर, अगर रंगा कहीं चोरी करने गया हुआ है. And after that, Ranga was really irritated with this dog, and he used to implode, he used to beg. वो भीख मांगता था उस डॉग के आगे, ओ डॉग जस्ट लीव मी अलोन फॉर अ मोमेंट, वोंट यू, that, oh dog, please just leave me alone, because Ranga never left that man alone, never left Ranga alone. He always glued with him, वो हमेशा चिपका रहता था उसके साथ. But on the other hand, Attila's disappearance in the house, in the bungalow, Attila जब सुबह वो लोग उठते हैं और देखते हैं कि अटिला वहाँ पर है ही नहीं. इट क्रिएटेड अ सेंसेशन इन द हाउस. It created a disturbance in the house. And the mother of the house said, didn't I tell you to lock him up? मैंने तुम्हें कहा नहीं था कि इसे लॉक कर लो. Now he has gone with some burglar. अब वो किसी burglar के साथ चला गया है, किसी thief के साथ चला गया है. And what a shame for us. And actually mother was somehow fine with this, and actually she was saying that we should be thankful for the thief that he has taken that shameless, that useless dog with him. हमें तो थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए उस बर्गलर को कि वो उस यूजलेस डॉग को अपने साथ ले गया. Now the mother also suggested that we should take the police complaint out. We should withdraw the police complaint because whatever the jewelry the burglar has taken should be given to him for taking that useless dog away from the house. Now we are moving on the last page, page number 6. Everyone, come on, page number 6. But after a week, what happened? Something like that happened, that Attila became the hero in the eyes of everyone. एक हफ्ते के बाद कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि अटिला सबकी नज़रों में हीरो बन गया. Now what happened? One day the eldest son of the house was going towards the market. What he saw that Attila was trotting behind someone on the road. Trotting means following. And what he noticed that it was the burglar. It was the burglar behind whom the Attila was trotting. Now he shouted, the man of the house shouted, and he called for Attila. But Attila did not stop for him. And why the Attila did not stop? Because he did not want to leave his friend Ranga. Now when Ranga noticed this thing, that the man of the house, in whose house he has made the burgling, he is following him because of Attila, so he started running more faster. This lead to Attila galloped behind Ranga. Galloped means to go at a very high speed. To go at the highest speed. Now when Ranga started rushing faster, Attila started galloping him. Attila started galloping him. As a result, what happened? Ranga doubled his speed and Attila came in the way of Ranga, and this led to the stumbling of the Ranga over the dog. Stumbling of the Ranga over the dog. Now what is the meaning of stumbling? Stumbling means to hit your foot against something. ठोकर खा जाना. Stumbling means ठोकर खा जाना. And Ranga stumbled over the dog. And at that time one piece of jewelry came out of his pocket that he took from the home. And here man of the house got to know that this is the man who has burgled our house, who has taken the jewelry from our house. There the crowd collected when he shouted for help, and after that the police came, and all this burglary got solved by the police. Now Attila was the hero of the day. We are on the second last paragraph. Attila was the hero of the day. Even the lady of the house softened her heart towards Attila. She has also considered Attila as hero. She said, whatever one might say of Attila, one has to admit that he is a very cunning detective. Now what they are saying, that Attila is a very cunning detective, and whoever wants to say anything about Attila, let him say, because at the end he has solved the burglary in our house. Now coming over the last lines of the chapter, that if Attila can speak, if Attila had the powers of speech, then he must have told that how sad he is, कितना दुखी है वो इन सब से, because coming to the house back is not his thing. So this is all with the chapter Attila. I hope you really liked the story written by R.K. Narayanan. Now coming over the homework, this is the homework time, and you have to do exercise B. Guys, you have to do exercise B. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Now, here are the questions that are taken from the text only, and you have to do these questions in the book only. You have to answer these questions in one word. This is your homework, and in the next worksheet, I will be sending you the question answers, and that those you have to do in the notebook. Now that is all for today's session. Thank you everyone, and have a good reading time and nice day. Thank you.